What's up, guys? It's me, Robert. I got a pocket knife for my 15th birthday party from my cousin Mike, nephew Mikey. And it has a leather right here. So it's a spring action knife by Tac Force. And I'm listening to Five Finger Death Punch Got Your Six. Bought this yesterday. It's a good. Five Finger Death Punch is a good band. And I also got a katana for my birthday. And this, too.
Goddamn weight on my shoulders. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. Supposed to be happy, but I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a feeling inside. So much goddamn weight on my shoulders. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. Be happy, but I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a feeling inside.
These are most of my knife collection, but the rest are downstairs. I have a katana and a bigger knife, a survival knife. But my most favorite one is the saw, this one, and this one. I got this from a cousin. And this little guy, I've been working on it. It's harder to open. And I'm listening to Jekyll and Hyde right now. But this one flips open on demand. And it's fun flipping it open and shutting it. And Jekyll and Hyde is a good song. But my room's a little messy. But more about the Tac Force. It's a good company. But it's a good knife. Their company is making a knife for police officers to have police on the side and a blue thing on here. Blue circle around this area. But they also make karambits and switchblades and other types of knives. But their most popular ones are these, the ones that flip open. I better be going.